Just like that, there's silence. So what do you think? You think it'll start again?
Are your lights still on? I think it'll start right up.
That is awesome, boys.
This is gonna be a fun toy.
You're gonna have a good time. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mark.
Oh,
God, man. I love that smell. Smells like victory.
I know. I can't believe we got it to start and run like that.
I just can't.
The engine's perfect.
I figured there's gonna be. You're gonna look underneath you and go, shut it off, shut it.
I mean, it's not dumb. I was expecting it to be.
Look at you.
How's that?
I mean, you're gonna see. There's gonna be
gaskets. How bad's the? How it filled up? Let's see if it puddled up. What is that? You have to tighten the bolts or something?
No, that all has to be taken apart.
What, the engine?
I mean, it's really once you know. Now that you see, it's not that big of a deal. Take the shit off.
We did all the. I mean, we got it started.
Especially, I mean, with you guys doing it, when it's not one person doing everything, and you drop the bolt, and you got to climb out from underneath and go look for the bolt, and you can't find it.
I can't believe that we got it to start up like that and run like that.
That is just, I'm amazed. I never in a million years thought.
Oh my God.
You see how good this shit is, though? The starter fluid?
Yeah.
Fires it right up. And the carburetor doesn't catch on fire like it does with gasoline. Because there's no vapor.